What's up, guys? I'm Dean. This is Top Bro. So we're doing a dirt bike footage today. I know this is probably the coolest one we've done yet. So far, probably it's gonna be cool. I've been on this dirt bike probably, I don't know, maybe a year and a half or so. I haven't actually ridden it in a long time because we've been busy. We get to school now and stuff. So hope you guys actually having a good time at school. And let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. It was pretty cool. We had drone footage, and my editor, my dad, he's actually like the best editor I could probably have right now. So peace. Hope you guys have a good a few school weeks before like Halloween stuff, and peace.